Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We would like to extend our warm greeting to all of you. Allow us to introduce ourselves. My name is Nadita Rizkia, and I'm joined by my colleague, Anissa Gusridina. We are honored to represent the Master Program in Communication Science at the Islamic University of Bandung in this esteemed international conference on communication studies, new media, and social science. We are honored to have the opportunity to present our research paper, and it is a profound privilege for us to have the opportunity to present our research paper in the company of such distinguished scholars and professionals.
Today, we are excited to share our research title, Patriarchal Culture in the film Ngeri-Ngeri Sedap. Our study examines how patriarchal culture is portrayed and represented in this film. Our study investigates the portrayal and impact of patriarchal culture within the film, utilizing John Fish's three levels of semiotic, reality, representation, and ideology. We found that the film strongly depicts patriarchal values, significantly affecting family communication and dynamic. We look forward to sharing our research with you and engaging in the fruitful discussion about the impact and implication of patriarchal culture as depicted in this film. We believe this topic is relevant in understanding an intersection of media, culture, and societal norms. And we are eager to begin our presentation.
Introduction, movies and Indonesian culture. Movies are a prevalent form of entertainment accessible to the public through movie theaters, television, and streaming platforms. Many Indonesian films address themes relevant to everyday life and local culture, attracting large audience. This indicates that movies hold an important role in the entertainment landscape of Indonesia today. Family themes movies, among the popular genre in Indonesia, are movies with family themes. These movies resonate deeply with audience because they reflect everyday life and culture value, such as the importance of family relationship and togetherness, which are highly valued in Indonesian culture. This is the film of Ngeri Ngeri Sedap. Ngeri Ngeri Sedap and its significance. About the movie, Ngeri Ngeri Sedap released in 2022 and directed by Bene Dion Rajaguguk became a significant hit in Indonesia. It was the best-selling original story film of the year, attracting 2.8 million viewers. The film portrays the life of Batak family living near Lake Toba in North Sumatra, dealing with the disruption of modern life. And the plot and character, the movie centers around the family member such as Mr. Domu, Makdomu, Domu, Sarma, Gabe, and Sahar. It delves into their daily life and relationships, providing a window into Batak culture and the challenge they face in balancing tradition and modernity. Okay, relevance of family issues. Family themes are always relevant and interesting to explore in movies because the family is the smallest unit of society where individuals first learn about value, ethics, and ways of life. The film addresses common issues such as generational differences and the impact of migration, mirroring the real life dynamic of many Indonesian families. Okay, cultural and social themes. Ngeri-Ngeri Sedap also highlight the crucial role of communication in family relationship by portraying effort to maintain cultural customs. The film contributes to preserving cultural diversity and strengthening national identity. It reflects the patriarchal structure prevalent in society where family communication patterns often show a gender hierarchy, with men typically being the decision makers and women in more traditional roles.
Okay, next is method. In this research, we choose a qualitative method. To analyze this research, we choose the John Fish semiotic method to describe in depth the element of patriarchal in this film. Semiotic analysis of John Fish television code based on three levels. It's reality, representation, and ideology. For the discussion, we found that patriarchy manifests in the film Ngeri-Ngeri Sedap through the dominant role of Mr. Domu, the father figure, who exerts control over his family member. His authority is evident in various scenes, where he make an unilateral decision about the life of his children, such as forbidding Domo for marrying a Sundanese woman, instructing Gabe to abandon his comedy career to become a lawyer, and demanding Sahat return to Medan to care for his parents. This action highlights the power imbalance and gender hierarchy typical of patriarchal culture, where men's voice dominate and women's role are limited to compliance and support. The film portrays women such Mak Domu and Sarma as oppressed and subordinate, showcasing how patriarchal value perpetuate gender inequality within the family structure. And then, the film of Ngeri Ngeri Sedap vividly illustrates the impact of patriarchal culture on family dynamic and communication. Mr. Domo, authoritarian style, creates significant tension and conflict within the family. His communication is often characterized by command, prohibition, and harsh criticism, which stifle open dialogue and expression among family members. This dominance results in his children feeling constrained and undervalued, leading to resentment and conflict. The patriarchal culture depicted in this film underscore the power imbalance that hinder healthy family communication, with women and children perspective often overlooked. To foster healthier family dynamic, it is crucial to promote balance and open communication, where each family member opinion and needs are respected. Challenging and dismantling patriarchal norms within the family can lead to more equitable and harmonized relationship benefiting both individual well-being and societal progress. This is the poster of Ngeri Ngeri Sedap. You can see Mr. Domu, Madomu, and his children. And then the conclusion of this research on patriarchal culture in the movie Ngeri Ngeri Sedap conclude that the film strongly depicts patriarchal value, significantly impacting family communication and dynamic, analyzing to John Fitz three levels of semiotic reality, representation, and ideology, reveals how Mr. Domu, authoritarian and decision-making role foster conflict with his children. This illustrates the detrimental effect of patriarchal culture on familial relationship, highlighting the necessity of society to recognize and address this issue, promoting open, honest communication and respecting all family member opinion, irrespective of gender, are crucial for cultivating healthy and harmonious family relationship. That's all for us. Thank you so much for the opportunity to present our research. We appreciate your time and attention and hope that our insight have contributed meaningfully to the ongoing discussion. We apologize for any short meaning in our presentation. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.